Hi, I'm Keith Bledsoe, and I'm the owner here at Smoky Mountain Traders. I personally go out and buy the best cars on the market for you, our customer. Please give us a call with any questions you may have.
Hey everybody, it's Devin with Smoky Mountain Traders. I hope you're having a great day. Today we're going to be taking a close look at this 1970 Chevelle. Now this car has had a beautiful restoration. It's been off the frame. We'll get to that here in a little bit. But if you got any questions on it, remember you can give us a call at 865-988-8088 or you can send us an email to sales@smtclassics.com. Now I'm going to take you around the outside, on the inside, and under the hood, and then we'll get it up on the lift for you here in a little bit as well. Now as you look across the front, you'll see that all your chrome and stainless is beautiful. It'll also give you a chance to look down the sides and you can see that the body lines flow beautifully here from the front to the rear. Now as we come on around the driver's side, it'll give you a chance to look at the panel fit and the door gaps. Now you'll see that this car is done in the Tuxedo Black Paint that's accented by the white stripes. But before we go on around, I want you to come up and take a look on the inside. This car does have the black interior as well. You'll notice you got bucket seats and console. And as we look across the dash, you'll see you got the SS round gauges with the working tax, speedo. Even all your side gauges are working as they should as well. This car does have vintage AC and the controls are here in the factory location. And when we move on around, you can take a close look at the door panels and seat covers along with the headliner and see that they are absolutely stunning. Now that we've been on the inside, we'll continue on around the outside. It'll give you a chance to see how great that door fits. We'll also take a close look here at the rear bumper as well as the trim. You'll notice that all of this appears to have been replaced whenever the restoration was done. Now as we come around the passenger side, I'll take a step back so that way you can take a close look at the stance on this 70 Chevelle. The Tuxedo Black and the white stripes was done in base coat, clear coat. Stripes are buried under the clear and it's been buffed and polished to this gorgeous shine that you see here today. Now it does have the 15-inch SS wheels with the Firestone wide oval tires, and it does have the working Cowl Induction Hood as well. Now if you want to come on up, I'll pop the hood and we'll take a close look at the heartbeat of this Chevrolet. It features a 454 LS6 motor with the LS6 heads. Now it has been updated with the vintage AC, and it also has power steering and power disc brakes as you would expect. Now that we've been around the outside, on the inside, and under the hood of this Chevelle, we'll get it pulled around and get it on a lift so that way you can take a close look at the frame off restoration. Now if you got any questions, you can give us a call at 865-988-8088 or you can send us an email to sales@smtclassics.com. Now we'll get it around there and on the lift, and then we'll get it down on the highway for you as well. Now that we've got this Chevelle on the lift, we can take a closer look at the frame and floors. As you can see, this car has had a gorgeous frame off rotisserie restoration, and everything has been cleaned and detailed to a high level, and the floors are done in the Red Oxide. Now under the front, you'll notice that new bushing and ball joints have been installed, and then it has the front sway bar. The 454 engine is mated to the BorgWarner Super T10 trans and the 12-bolt rear end. Now for exhaust, it has headers with dual pipes and Flowmaster mufflers. Out back you see it has the rear sway bar as well, and that a new gas tank has been installed along with new fuel lines and brake lines that run to the front disc and the rear drums. Now before we get this 70 on the highway, let's take another close look at the floors, frame, and rockers.
Thanks for visiting us at SmokyMountainTraders.com. If you're ever in East Tennessee, stop by and check us out.